I'm back with another video. This time I am doing some jumbo twists with some curly hair. This is just hair that I already had, so I don't know how long I'm gonna make them. I was trying to be extra because I am headed to New Mexico on Sunday. Today is Friday night, and it's late as heck, so I'm gonna do this quick, fast, and in a hurry. I'm gonna do the easy method. I'm gonna rubber band it and then just crochet the hair through and twist down and add the little curly pieces. The hair that I'm using is the Organique Master Mix Organique Hawaiian Curl. This one is an 18-inch. I had a bundle left over from when I previously did my half up, half down. So I'm going to cut this up and use this. And I am using the Ultra Expressions 3 times pre-stretched hair. This is actually the 42-inch, but we're going to see if we can double it. I'm really tired and I'm really hot, so I'm going to make this fast. I'm going to try to record some of it, so you guys stay tuned. Oh, here's an update on my hair. It's still see-through as hell, but okay, well, not that bad, but there's a patch back there somewhere. But we're gonna get it together. I'm gonna continue to try to get it back. I'm tired, y'all. Just watch. As always, make sure you guys have a mirror in front of you and behind you. This is my secret to trying to get at parts as straight as possible. As you see, I'm applying the Magic Fingers jam to my parts to make sure they're very clean. So yeah, I'm also clipping the rest out the way. I'm connecting the front to the back so that I can get that horseshoe method. I think that looks very good, very clean. So that's why I decided to do it this time. I have a total of 4 rows. So 3 at the top above the ear and 1 at the bottom. These are going to be jumbo twists. So I already kind of got started on rubber banding my hair off. So as you guys can see, I am detangling my hair from tip to root. I'm applying the Magic Fingers and I'm making sure to get it as smooth as possible and then applying my rubber band. So y'all, I have 6 more left. This is what my hair is looking like so far. I don't know if you guys can't see the bottom of it, but I'm gonna put some flexi rods on the bottom. But so far I do love them. I love my little boho twist. I don't know what you want to call it, but yeah, this is what the ends look like so far. I'm going to flexi rod them like I said, but I'm gonna show y'all what I've been doing. Let's start from the back, so that way when I get to the front I know I'm almost done. I'm detangling and then I'm applying the Magic Fingers. Make sure your hair is already separated. This will help you save a lot of time. I didn't have my braiding rack, so it is what it is, but I'm showing you how I crochet the hair through my hair. So I'm putting it underneath the rubber band, and then I'm taking the end of the hair and I'm pulling it through. Be very gentle because I did put the rubber bands fairly tight, but you don't have to. It's your preference. Right here you can take your real hair and then like tighten it if you prefer not to do the rubber band so tight. But I'm slowing it down right here so you guys can see the motion, the method of what I'm doing. I'm doing a Senegalese twist. So I'm twisting and turning with my fingers. Twist with my fingers and turn. Twist and turn. So I'm twisting clockwise with both of my fingers, and then I'm what am I trying to say? I am turning right over left. And then now I'm adding the hair, just putting it in there, doing the same method, twisting and turning twisting and turning. And here you want to make sure that the end of that curly piece is tucked really nice. I'm doing this very, very tight, as you would say. And then once I feel like I've twisted enough, I grab the long piece of the curly hair and I clip it out the way. And then you just keep doing the same method. This is low-key an advanced video. If you don't know how to do twist or Senegalese twist or not familiar with it, let me know in the comments below and I will do a in-depth tutorial. Right here, I'm showing how I'm tying it off. What you do is you find a long piece of hair and make sure it's as thin as possible. You're going to create a loop and then you're going to pull the hair through. And I do that 2 to 3 times, doing it again to that same piece. And then I'm going to grab a different piece and do the same thing. Now that I'm done with the twist, I'm just taking the curly pieces and unraveling it from the twist itself. And I'm just repeating the process all throughout my hair. I decided to keep this in here so that you guys just can see the process. A lot of people like watching the process. So in the beginning, I did have a 42-inch and I had a 52-inch. If you're doing long twists, make sure you get the longest hair so that way you don't have to keep feeding it in, especially if you're new to doing the twists. I had to keep feeding in the hair because the hair was so short. But yeah, so just continue watching. I'm just doing the same method over and over again. This is the second to the last twist. As you can see, twisting and turning, twisting and turning. I added new hair, adding the curly piece, clipping it out the way. And I did three curly pieces per twist. I didn't want too many curly pieces, and I didn't want it to be, because I wasn't sure if the hair was going to tangle really badly or mat up. And you guys, it did not. This hair actually did really well. Right now, it's been 2 weeks since I have the twist in, and they still look amazing. So I suggest you guys definitely try this out. And this is the last twist. Again, putting the magic fingers on, taking the hair, crocheting the hair through. And then we are twisting, turning, twist and turn, twist and turn. Oh, so it looks like it's left over right. I'm sorry. Twisting clockwise, but twisting and turning left over right. Clipping the hair out the way. That's the second one. And then we added more hair, braiding hair. And then I'm going to grab my last curly piece. And there you have it. Twisting all the way down. I put the other side in the front of me so I can see where I need to stop so that I can make sure that it is even on both sides. I did this throughout my entire head just to make sure it was even. I'm finally done and I am very pleased with my twist. Even before the curl, I haven't did the curls on the ends yet. With the perm rods, but y'all, it is coming. I'm about to show you guys my edges, how I do my edges, and then dip those ends. Good morning, y'all. It is the next day. I'm tired, but I'm more so excited. So I'm about to do my edges. How am I about to do this? Because I need this out of my way. I don't know how I'm gonna do it because I'm not a pro in that area. But I'm using, so through this whole process, I've been using Magic Hands, Shining Jam, or Magic Fingers, and I'm gonna use their edge control. I've never used this before. And yeah, and then Or, oh, like, or should I do the spritz or should I use Gatsby? It's supposed to be a freezing spray, so let's just do this. So here we go, here we go, here we go. This is not thick at all. Y'all, I really do my edges. But let me just do these baby hairs solely for this video. And for y'all, for pictures and stuff. Look at me, I be so red. But this Magic Fingers edge control, I do not like it. It did not stay. It was very gel-like. Like it had, I thought it was going to be thick, like how the jam itself is. But yeah, I'll just stick to my Kiss, my Edge Fixer by Kiss. I love that. It never steers me wrong. I don't know if it was the Gatsby that did not help it lay, but hey. And if you guys have extra baby hair, y'all saw me use the crochet hook. Life game changer, game changer. I guess I'll get 4 different sections. So just take the synthetic curly hair, because we can't dip those pieces. And clip it up out the way. I don't have my flexi rods. I'm sorry about that. So we're gonna do perm rods. So I'm about to line this up just like this. Comb it out. And this is the size I want. So Lord help me. I pray it work out. And then just turn and twist. So you can't move. So I'm doing the same thing to all 4 different sections of my hair. Make sure you guys, when you are wrapping it, you wrap it tight. Otherwise, the curl will not come out right. You see, I had to redo it. I redid it a 3rd time, as you guys can see. Well, I redid it a 4th time, and I made sure that it was secure. You want it tight before the water, and that way it'll be a tight curl after the water. The pot in the bathroom, okay? And we're gonna dip these ends. Make sure you don't get the little curly wet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's also to seal the ends too, so your twist don't come undone. Make sure you guys are careful and have a towel with you. I counted to 8 the first time, but I always count to 10. I don't know why I stopped at 8. But yes, and those perm rods, they hold water, so make sure that you hold it tight and squeeze it even afterwards. I was trying to see if it said shake it or not. It don't say shake it, so. I like to put foam on the ends just so it don't get, you know, well, y'all don't know, but so it don't get frizzy while I'm unraveling the rod. And then I'll just, with my fingers, separate lightly. Let's unravel the opposite way. There we go. See how it's not frizzy? am loving my hair. Turn around this way. Y'all, I love my hair. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all gonna try this style. But I think I'm vacay ready. Yes. I am so in love. Thank y'all so very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.